Okay.
Hi, people. I gotta make a robot.
We're continuing. We kind of got stopped the last time because our stand for the camera was giving some troubles, but that's okay. Now we're going to go ahead and get this part set up. Andy, you ready? We're going to, this is the foundation for the body. So we're going to snap this in probably about here, right? Got it? Okay, so this is sticking here.
Yeah, sticky.
Sticking, right?
Sticking.
Yeah, let's try this direction.
Oh, yeah, that button.
There we go. Okay, so. So there we go. And then you can kind of see where wheelbase is going to go, your axle and everything. So you'll thread your axle through this little gear here. Isn't that cool, Andy?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got some more gears going on. Now, before we do that though, my suggestion is to make sure before you start building the components onto your foundation for your body, you make sure that when they're lined up here, they work, just as our sound module did. So, Andy, this servo motor is going to go on this side right over here. So you want to attach that for us? Just link it right up there. See if we've got this taping. No, here, honey. You want to just link up. We're going to actually test all of the components here first.
Okay.
Our circuits and everything. So you want to link this up right here with this part of the sound module. So this part right here.
Oh, yeah, part.
See, if it's repelling, see it kind of repelling, then you've got to turn it around. Is it repelling it? Yeah, if it doesn't go right away, you got to flip it around. So that means it's the wrong end. You want it to attract and not repel. There you go. Good job. All right, so we've got this part, and this is the servo motor that has the clockwise or the counterclockwise motion, but we're putting it on the middle function for variable. All right, now over here, Andy, on this one, we've got our wheel, and we're just going to put this into, you're going to want it into another brick. This will help you when we attach to the foundation of the body, Andy, right? You okay there, honey?
Yeah.
Are your legs hurting today?
Yeah, my bone hurting me.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie.
Okay, I'm bone bad shape.
All right, sweetie, now go ahead and take our power module. Our input for the power module is a proximity sensor, so go ahead and link that up right to the sound module. So you're going to want to turn it, and we'll move this out of your way. Link that up there, right in the center. There you go. And if this stuff comes off. All right, now let's check our circuits out. You want to power it up. Your power switch is over here, and it just slides. Good job using your helper hand, and then the other finger's just going to come in here on this switch. There you go. Now, let's check out this proximity. Now, rub your hands over it again. Now, let's test this. Let's take out this input. Let's see, I thought we had a button one out here to test. Slider. Let's try it on a slider input, okay? So let's link up here. You want to link it? Link it to your power. Good. Good. Good job. Now, let's test it. We've got it on. Now let's slide it. Now you slide it the other way and see if anything happens. It's not activating with the slider either. Okay, it's just interesting to see which components. All right, so it'll work directly. We'll consider whether we do the proximity. All right, so what we're going to do now or next, and then we'll get back on here later, is we're going to go ahead and start attaching these just like you would do Lego pieces right into our brick. because these feet, Andy, just like when we built the superhero arm, the feet they're fixed just right to attach right into here. Yes, see how they'll attach right into the brick. So we're going to let them go and set all of that up, and then we'll probably put our battery pack, which we put into a brick, onto the back and figure out how to make sure that is secure so that when we build the body, Andy, that you're anxious to build, it'll go right over this.
All right.
All right, let's tell them goodbye and we'll do the rest of that.
Bye.